Mars is a young pyramid and often a it is beginning to the environment on Earth loving operations. Yep, I believe shortwave is working. I think that is Radio New Zealand, another station I used to get 9 months ago at 7.390. And it's kind of right there at the noise. Now, the one thing that's helping is the local noise level is way down, way down. And so these stations that have been there all along, but they were being overridden by the noise, are coming through now. So let me turn it up, let you listen for a few minutes, and see if this is really Radio New Zealand. I'm not really positive if that's Radio New Zealand. I'm going to go ahead and listen some more offline, and if it comes in clearer and they say something like Radio New Zealand, I will put something in the comments to indicate that. So I think for some reason right now, band conditions are, I'm not saying they're good, but they're better than they've been for 9 months. And it's 8:22 a.m., which is, I usually get Asia, Australia, of course they're gone, New Zealand, Japan. I usually get those early in the morning, like right at sunrise. So it's, like I say, it's almost 8:30, so I'm surprised I'm still getting stuff. Anyway, that's it. You got any reports about shortwave listening at your place? Let us know. Bye-bye.